Good morning, guys. So for this video you do need to turn your camera because it's worth seeing the full size. So hi, this is Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee on all social media, but I have some stuff to show you from Anna Griffin Create. So I showed you the dies yesterday. So today I'm going to show you this bag. It is the kindness bag and what comes in it. But then there is the generosity bag for tomorrow. And then the next day I will show you the gratitude. It is so heavy. I think the box weighed 20 pounds. So let's take everything out. This is not in order. We are not making this the first day. It comes with these plastic sleeves. This is from annagriffin.com, and this is every November, and then she has a create crop every May. On my daughter's birthday every May. But so we're going to have recipe cards because I showed you recipe dies. Then there is sentiments. There is gold embellishment. Look how thick that is. This is border dies for a scrapbook page if you want. Let's open it. I'm gonna prep my videos today, but look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay. Then this, I don't know what this is. These are for a project. Oh, this is for the book nook. Look at all that stuff. Okay, let's see. Look at all this stuff we have for the book nook. Little chair and candelabra, ceiling light fixture. Just so much stuff. I've got so much to show you and I'm rushing. Flowers, another chair, a door, a window. Look at all this stuff just for that project. Chandelier. There you go. See, once I didn't have it in my head. So let's put this off to the side. Oh, I'm gonna have to repack it proper. Okay, I'm gonna just show you everything because guys, if you're not buying this, you're really missing out. Gotta put all this back how it belongs. This says 2025, so this might be the cookie exchange or tags, but those will definitely be used. But look at all this stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna put this off to the side. I don't want to get them mixed up. Okay, then there's ribbon. This is for the book nook. It is sides. Let's see, what is this? These are cards. I guess we're going to make Christmas cards and regular cards. We don't always just do Christmas, we do both. So that's nice. I'm pretty sure this is for the book nook, but the most important stuff is I'm getting to it, is this is the best card stock when it comes to the metallics or the shiny cardstock, foil cardstock. There you go. Once I start recording, I don't remember, but look at that green and the gold. Now this is what I really wanted to show you. So let's put this over here, not get anything mixed up. This is the papers, and I don't know if it's in order. So isn't that beautiful? 4 of each, I think. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at that. It's raised. You can feel it. The gold on it. Look at the red. Christmas pattern. Or, yeah, Christmas, or it could be Valentine's. That pink is gorgeous. I have a handbag that she made with this. It's a tote bag, and I'm going to give it to my sister. I have one for myself, and I'm going to give it to my sister, and I buy all the paper that goes with it, the file folders and the notepads and all that. So that's a Christmas present. I already have half of it. I'm waiting on the stock up sale to see if after the Create she has a nice stock up. I'm hoping that all that will be in it. That's when I usually buy all my Christmas. Let's see here. Here's greens. There's another color green. And there you go. That is that days. Isn't it beautiful? Look how much paper. And we're not going to use it all. And it's 12 by 12. She's back to 12 by 12. So we'll have extra scraps. And I mean, that's a lot. Not including the foil cardstock and everything else. So, I mean, guys, this is just tremendous. If you're not buying Anna Griffin Create, you're really missing out. And you're really missing out on what you can learn and all kind of stuff. So I'm trying to find my favorite color. Where's that pink? Where's the pink? I want to have the pink. But anyway, comment down below if you follow Anna, and let's be friends. I can't find the pink. I know it's in here. Oh well, I guess I'm not going to show that pink one more time, am I? There it is. There's the pink I wanted to show. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, comment down below if you follow Anna, because I would like to be friends with you and craft along with you and everything. So, okay guys, have a blessed day.